What's up guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S8 so you can use it with any GSM carrier in the world. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked S8 and unlock it so I could use it on my TELUS network, but it's the exact same process for any carrier from any country. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. The place where I get all my unlock codes is the unlockingcompany.com because of the cheapest prices online, and I get my codes much faster than other websites. So head on over to the Unlocking Company and select the phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop-down list. And on the next page, go ahead and select the country from where the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is AT&T. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once you do that, get the code and go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, go ahead and proceed to the final page where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you the unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because as I said before, you are getting the cheapest price online with the fastest delivery times. So once you receive your unlock code from the unlockingcompany.com, it's time to unlock your phone. Go ahead and pop open the SIM tray, and go ahead and put in the SIM card you want to use with the phone. So I want to use the S8 with my TELUS network, so I'm putting in my TELUS SIM card. Once the SIM card is inside the phone, it should automatically reboot and take you to the unlock page. This is where you input the code that you received from the unlocking company. After putting in the code and hitting unlock, you will get a message stating that the unlock was successful and the phone will take you straight to the home screen after it reboots. So basically your phone is now permanently unlocked. Please note that some newer devices locked to US carriers are now remotely unlocked, so if it doesn't prompt for a code, then don't worry because they can still unlock it without a problem. So that's how you unlock your Galaxy S8 for any GSM carrier in the world. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.